Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Stock photography and images licensing. Stock photography refers to a collection of photographs, illustrations, and other visual content that is available for licensing by individuals, businesses, and organizations. These images are typically created by professional photographers or artists and are made available for use in various projects without the need for commissioning a custom photo shoot or illustration. Licensing is the legal agreement that governs the use of stock images. When you license a stock image, you are essentially purchasing the right to use the image within the terms specified by the license. The license may outline details such as how the image can be used, where it can be used, the duration of the license, and the number of times it can be reproduced or displayed. Here are some common types of stock image licenses. Royalty-free license. Royalty-free licenses allow you to use the image multiple times after purchasing it with a one-time fee. There might be some restrictions on usage, such as limitations on the number of copies or distribution. But generally, you can use the image for various purposes without paying additional royalties. One-time fee. When you acquire a royalty-free image, you pay a one-time upfront fee to use the image multiple times within the terms of the license. This fee may vary based on factors like the size of the image, the resolution, and the stock agency's pricing structure. Multiple uses. A royalty-free license typically permits a wide range of uses, such as digital or print advertisements, websites, social media, blog posts, presentations, and more. As long as your usage adheres to the license terms, you can incorporate the image into different projects without incurring additional costs. No exclusivity. Royalty-free images are not exclusive to the buyer. The same image can be licensed to and used by multiple individuals or organizations simultaneously. Limited restrictions. While royalty-free licenses offer flexibility, they may still come with some restrictions. For instance, there might be limitations on the number of copies or reproductions allowed, geographical distribution, or specific industries where the image cannot be used, adult content, defamatory materials, etc. Enduring usage. Once you purchased a royalty-free license, you can continue using the image for an indefinite period. There's usually no time limit on how long you can use the image within the license terms. Non-transferable. In most cases, royalty-free licenses are non-transferable, meaning you cannot resell or give away the image to others. The license only applies to the individual or entity that originally purchased it. It's crucial to understand the specific terms of the royalty-free license from the stock agency you're using. Licensing terms may differ between agencies, so it's essential to review the agreement carefully before using the image to ensure you comply with all restrictions and requirements. Rights-managed license. Rights-managed licenses are more restrictive than royalty-free licenses. They usually specify a particular use, size, and duration for the image. If you want to use the image for additional purposes or extend the duration, you may need to pay extra fees. Specific usage. With a rights-managed license, the usage of the image is defined by the terms of the license. This can include details such as the purpose of use, advertising, editorial, commercial, etc., the size of the image, the medium in which it will be used, the geographical distribution, and the duration of use. Limited duration. Rights-managed licenses often have a set time frame during which you are allowed to use the image for the specified purpose. If you wish to use the image beyond this period or for different purposes, you may need to negotiate a new license or pay additional fees. Exclusive or non-exclusive options. Rights-managed licenses may come in both exclusive and non-exclusive varieties. An exclusive license means that during the license period, the image won't be licensed to any other party for the same purpose. Non-exclusive licenses, on the other hand, allow multiple users to license the same image for different purposes. Custom pricing. The cost of a rights-managed license is usually determined on a case-by-case basis and depends on factors such as the intended usage, the size of the image, the prominence of the image in the project, and the duration of use. Controlled distribution. Rights-managed images are typically subject to stricter control in terms of where and how they are used. This can help maintain the exclusivity and value of the image. Additional rights negotiation. If you wish to use the image in ways not covered by the standard rights-managed license, you may need to negotiate additional usage rights with the image's copyright holder or the stock agency representing the image. Rights-managed licenses are often favored when the intended usage is highly specific exclusive, or when the image will be a central element in a project with significant visibility and reach. Extended or enhanced license. Some stock agencies offer extended or enhanced licenses for specific images. These licenses grant you additional rights beyond what is typically allowed in a standard license, such as using the image for merchandise or in larger print runs. The specifics of what the extended or enhanced license allows can vary depending on the stock agency and the image's copyright holder. However, some common features of extended licenses include increased usage. An extended license may allow you to use the image for a larger audience or in a more extensive distribution. For example, it may enable you to use the image in a higher print run or for regional or global marketing campaigns. Merchandise and products. With an extended license, you might be permitted to use the image on merchandise and physical products, such as t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. This is especially valuable for commercial ventures that want to incorporate the image into their merchandise. Unlimited reproductions. While standard licenses often come with limits on the number of copies or reproductions, an extended license may allow for unlimited reproductions or print runs. Exclusivity options. Some extended licenses might offer the option for exclusive usage, where the image is removed from further licensing and cannot be used by other parties during the license period. Duration. The extended license may extend the duration of use beyond what is allowed in a standard license. This could be particularly useful for projects with a more extended timeframe, such as multi-year advertising campaigns. Enhanced creative usage. The extended license might grant more creative freedom to modify, edit, or alter the image to better suit your project's needs. It's essential to carefully read and understand the terms of the license before using a stock image to ensure that you comply with the usage rights and avoid any potential legal issues. Different stock agencies may have varying licensing terms, so it's crucial to review them on a case-by-case basis. Keep in mind that stock images are not typically sold as exclusive content. That means the same image may be available for licensing to multiple users. If exclusivity is crucial to your project, you may need to explore other options, such as commissioning custom photography or illustrations. Additionally, the licensing terms may vary based on the intended use of the image. For example, using an image for commercial advertising purposes may require a different license than using it for editorial or personal use. Lastly, remember that stock images are subject to copyright, and unauthorized usage can result in legal consequences. Always use images from reputable stock agencies and adhere to the licensing terms to stay on the right side of copyright law. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.